Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Elite English Academy. If you are someone who understands English but suddenly feels nervous, confused, or even blank when you try to talk to new people, then this lesson is specially made for you. Today, we are going to practice a very important real-life topic, making new friends in English. This is something many learners struggle with, not because they lack vocabulary, but because they are unsure what to say first. How to continue the conversation or how to sound natural instead of memorized. Many learners make one common mistake. They think English conversation is about speaking fast or using difficult words, when in reality, it is about connection, clarity, and confidence. In this video, you will not just hear a conversation. You will understand why certain sentences are used, how native speakers think, and how you can use the same phrases in your own life. So please stay connected till the end. Because this lesson is designed to slowly build your confidence, not pressure you.
Hey, good morning. Was just sitting here thinking about how fast the day starts and ends, and how sometimes we do the same routine without really noticing what is missing in our daily interactions.
Good morning. I completely understand what you mean because many people follow the same schedule every day, yet still feel something is incomplete, especially when it comes to social connections and communication.
Yes, exactly. For example, I go to work, I attend meetings, I come back home. But I realize that I rarely start conversations with new people, even when I want to, and that makes me feel a little disconnected.
That is actually a very honest feeling, and you are not alone in this. Many people want to make new friends, but they hesitate because they are unsure how to begin, how to continue, or how to avoid awkward silence.
Exactly. And when English is not your first language, the hesitation becomes even stronger because you start worrying about grammar, pronunciation, or whether the other person will judge you. To be honest, my biggest fear is not vocabulary. My fear is that I might say something wrong, or the conversation might suddenly stop, and then I would not know how to continue naturally without feeling embarrassed.
This is a very important point, and I want learners to pay close attention. Here, what you are feeling is not a language problem. It is a confidence and mindset issue. And that is completely normal.
That makes sense. But when I meet someone new, my mind suddenly goes blank. Even though I know basic English sentences,
That happens because your brain is focusing on perfection instead of communication. In real life, people care more about your intention and friendliness than about perfect grammar. I have an idea that will really help both you and our learners. Let's turn this discussion into a role play, where we practice making new friends in a natural and realistic way.
that sounds helpful, because role play feels closer to real life than just reading examples.
Exactly. Role play. It helps English learners because it shows how conversations actually flow, including pauses, small mistakes, corrections, and emotional reactions.
Hi, excuse me. I hope I am not interrupting anything. But I noticed we both arrived at the same place, and I thought it might be nice to introduce myself instead of staying silent.
Oh, not at all. I actually appreciate when someone starts a conversation politely, because it makes the situation feel more comfortable and natural.
That is good to hear. My name is Adam, and I am still getting used to meeting new people in unfamiliar places, so I sometimes take a moment before speaking.
Nice to meet you, Adam. My name is Sarah. And I think it is perfectly okay to take your time, because meaningful conversations usually start slowly.
Thank you for saying that. May I ask how long you've been coming here? Or is this your first time as well?
I have been coming here for a few months now, mostly because it helps me relax after a long day. And I enjoy meeting people from different backgrounds.
That sounds nice. I recently decided to step out of my comfort zone and try new environments. Even though starting conversations still feels challenging for me,
I really respect that, because stepping out of your comfort zone is actually how confidence grows, not just in English, but in life as well.
I like how you explained that. Sometimes I feel that people expect conversations to be perfect, but in reality, even simple words can create connection.
You are absolutely right. In spoken English, clarity and kindness matter more than complex grammar.
If you don't mind me asking, what do you usually enjoy talking about when you meet someone new?
That is a thoughtful question. I usually start with light topics like daily routines, interests, or shared experiences because they help both people feel relaxed.
That makes sense. I think I often overthink what to say, instead of allowing the conversation to develop naturally.
That awareness itself is progress. When you allow yourself to be present instead of perfect, conversations become much easier.
That role play actually made me realize that making new friends is not about impressing others, but about showing genuine interest and being respectful.
Exactly what we practice today helps learners understand that spoken English is a tool for connection, not a test.
Also notice that pauses and simple sentences did not break the conversation. Instead, they made it feel more human.
That is an excellent observation, and I hope learners remember this. English is about confidence and clarity, not perfection. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe to Elite English Academy, like this video, and share it with someone who wants to improve their spoken English naturally.
In our next lesson, we'll practice another real-life conversation topic that many learners struggle with. So stay connected and keep learning with us.
Thank you for learning with Elite English Academy. Keep practicing, stay confident, and remember your voice matters.